Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does IG mean in slang text. So, let's get started. IG can stand for two different things in slang text. I guess. Instagram, which meaning is intended usually depends on the context in which the abbreviation is used. IG equals I guess. When used in text messages or chat, IG usually means I guess. This can be used to express agreement, uncertainty, or indifference. For example, friend, I'm thinking about going to the party tonight. You, IG. This could mean that you agree with your friend's idea, or that you're not sure if you want to go. IG equals Instagram. When used on social media or other online forums, IG usually refers to the social media platform Instagram. This is especially true if the abbreviation is capitalized. For example, friend, I just posted a new pic on IG. You, I'll check it out. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.